Today I'll show you how to make chains in the middle of a pattern. Chains are used to make arms like these or tentacles. You can also make a tail like this, or you can crochet back and forth to create a square. I've started on my octopus and I want to make some tentacles out. So I start by chaining 5. Now we want to crochet back and then go on with the octopus. So let's start by making 4 single crochets. Always skip the first stitch. And 4. You're usually making slip stitches or single crochets in the next stitches. Sometimes the pattern tells you to use the entire stitch and sometimes only the front loop. I'm going to make 2 single crochets in the next 2 front loops. Now, if the pattern tells you to make more of these, when you make chains out and single crochet back, just do the exact same. Chain out, single crochet back, and carry on. The pattern might also tell you to crochet back and forth on the same piece. The way you do this is to skip the 2 stitches you just made and crochet in the single crochets you made. I made 4 single crochets, so I'll make 4 the other way. Turn your piece and start crocheting the other way. And at the end we'll make a turning chain and turn the piece. Work 4 more single crochets back, and then make 2 single crochets in the front loops. Before you start making the chains out, it's a very good idea to mark the next stitch. It's not always easy to see where to carry on when you go back. But this is how you make chains away from the piece. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials and free patterns.